If you're familiar with Umuahia, you'd agree with me that Bank Road has been long overdue for a major upgrade. This particular road have been long overdue, but thanks to His Excellency Governor Alex Otti, the dream is finally becoming a reality. This iconic road is undergoing serious expansion as we speak, and the progress so far is a testament to the governor's commitment to delivering meaningful change. Looking at this video, you can see the construction work is full in swing with heavy machinery on site, and workers are fully back to work, dedicated to transforming the road into a modern, wider, and more efficient thoroughfare. What's even more heartwarming is the people of Umuahia are out in their numbers, jubilating and expressing their excitement because this is a project they've waited years for. It's truly a moment of hope and celebration for the residents of the area. Governor Oti's approach to this project is really noteworthy. He didn't just push forward without considering the impact on businesses along Bank Road. He went as far as personally visiting some of the affected business owners, including the prominent FCMB bank along the road, to plead for their understanding and, of course, cooperation. This level of engagement shows that the governor cares about the people and is working to ensure minimal disruption while driving progress. This road is indeed very crucial for Umuahia, connecting key parts of the city and improving accessibility for residents and businesses. It's the kind of development that should have happened like years ago, but as they say, better late than never. And it doesn't stop there. The new year is already shaping up to be a transformative one for the Southeast, with governors across the region rolling out impactful projects back to back. As we keep our fingers crossed for more development, let's celebrate the progress and continue supporting leaders who are bringing meaningful change to our communities. We can't wait to see more of these amazing changes here in the Southeast. Continue to stay tuned to our channel for more updates.
I'm on an inspection, looking at the work we are doing to beautify and expand the road. So let me first of all apologize to all the people who are going through some inconveniences as we do this work. I have the understanding of the contractors that the entire work will be completed before the end of this month. So let me also thank FCMB, the staff, the board and the management for gathering people like this to do New Year and Christmas like this, right? All right, I hope you have food for everybody. Okay. So let me wish you a happy new year. God will continue to bless you in Jesus' name.